Ruko F11PRO 2 Drone Review. Real results with 70 minutes flight and 3-axis gimbal.
You're standing at the edge of that perfect coastal sunset, drone hovering beautifully, when the battery hits critical and you panic land halfway through your shot. I watched a friend miss his daughter's entire graduation ceremony because his cheap drone kept drifting and he spent 20 minutes just trying to keep it steady. Frustrating, right? Ever felt like your gear actively fights you? Sound familiar?
Here's what's really stealing your moments. Shaky footage, so jittery it's unusable, batteries dying before you nail the shot, that crushing stress when signal drops and you're certain your drone's gone forever, and those wasted Sunday afternoons troubleshooting instead of creating. The tension builds quietly. One travel vlogger told me she stopped bringing her drone entirely because setup anxiety ruined trips. There's a calmer way.
Then I discovered the Ruko F11PRO 2 drone with its professional-grade 3-axis gimbal and extended dual battery system. Don't just grab any camera drone. Make sure it has genuine mechanical gimbal stabilization so you never deal with shaky, unwatchable footage that ruins every aerial shot you attempt again. The F11PRO 2 delivers smooth, cinema-quality video through its 6K camera paired with that stabilizing gimbal that physically counteracts every movement. 2 intelligent batteries providing 70 minutes of total flight time so you actually finish every location shoot. GPS-guided auto return to home that brings your drone back safely when signal drops or battery runs low. Long-range transmission maintaining crystal-clear video feed at extended distances, beginner mode that restricts speed and range so first-time pilots fly confidently within minutes, and smart follow me and orbit modes that capture professional tracking shots automatically. Picture this, a real estate agent racing between 3 properties, 0 time to waste. She captures smooth aerial tours of all 3 homes on a single battery charge, lands with power to spare, and her clients are stunned by the cinematic quality. Relief washes over you when that auto return kicks in.
Here's what transforms after your first month. You finally stop second-guessing every flight because GPS positioning just holds steady. Your content library explodes with usable footage instead of shaky disasters you immediately delete. You gain that quiet confidence knowing auto-return has your back if anything goes wrong, and your creative vision actually matches what you capture. A leading drone technology reviewer confirmed the F11PRO 2 delivers stabilization quality that punches well above its weight class, with gimbal-smoothed footage EIS-only drones simply cannot match. One travel photographer shared after 6 months across 8 destinations, the footage quality surprised my audience. Viewers ask what expensive drone I'm using, then can't believe the actual price. An outdoor adventure creator said the follow me mode makes solo content look like I hired a professional crew. Concerned about the learning curve? Beginner mode eliminates that fear completely. One nervous mom was capturing beautiful family footage within 15 minutes of her first flight. Worried about losing expensive equipment? The triple-layer auto-return system activates on low battery, signal loss, or one-button command, bringing your drone back accurately every time. What matters most to you? Longer flight time, smoother footage, or safer flying? Drop a comment. Thousands of creators already trust this system daily.
This is about finally capturing those moments that matter without your gear sabotaging you. Calmer flights, smoother footage, longer sessions, total control. Thousands of creators, families, and professionals are already using the Ruko F11PRO 2 daily, transforming how they document life from above. Results may vary based on conditions and skill level. The complete system with 2 batteries, carrying case, and everything you need is linked in the description and pinned comment below. Click and experience the difference that 70 minutes of flight time and real gimbal stabilization bring today.
For demo videos and current pricing, Check the link in the description.